What's this? Painted rims. Not too bad. So I had those other bigger wheels on there. So I bent that so they could fit. And I had these under there. Jacking this out like that. Move these. So I took these out. So now I'm that much lower. And it feels like you're sitting on the ground. This thing's pretty low. Feels like it's like that, because the front wheels are still pretty up. Like it's kind of like that. And you're sitting in the seat kind of like that, because the seat does like a... But I like the rims. Now I'm gonna drive it more. Make some video of it. But this thing is low. Like, the fender only comes up to my knee. And when I'm sitting on it, my knees are about level with the dash. And that new exhaust on there, I put a little brace right there so that it won't move. And the new clutch, working great. So, there'll be more videos.